Jamaican Jammin delights. Embrace the vibrant flavors and rhythmic beats of the Caribbean with these tantalizing recipes that bring the spirit of the island straight to your kitchen. Whether you're sipping on a Reggae Rum Punch, savoring the sweet notes of Mellow Yellow Banana Bread, or experiencing the tropical paradise of Plantain Paradise, each dish is a culinary journey that captures the essence of the Caribbean lifestyle. So, turn up the reggae tunes, gather your ingredients, and let these recipes transport you to a world of sun, sea, and smiles. Cheers to the joy of cooking and the blissful memories created around the table. Rhythmic rice and peas. Ingredients: 2 cups long grain rice, 1 cup dried red kidney beans, 1 can, approximate 13.5 ounces, coconut milk, 2 to 3 sprigs of fresh thyme, 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 medium-sized onion, finely chopped, 1 scallion, finely chopped, 1 Scotch bonnet pepper, whole, for flavor, optional, remove seeds for less heat. Salt and pepper to taste. Water for cooking. Soak the beans, rinse the kidney beans, and soak them in water overnight. Cook the beans in a large pot. Combine the soaked beans with enough water to cover them. Bring to a boil, then simmer until the beans are tender, usually 45 minutes to 1 hour. Drain and set aside. Prepare the rice. Rinse the rice thoroughly under cold water until the water runs clear. Drain any excess water. Combine rice and beans in a large pot. Mix the rice and cooked beans together. Add coconut milk. Pour in the coconut milk, stirring gently to coat the rice and beans evenly. Flavor infusion: add thyme, minced garlic, chopped onion, scallion, and the whole Scotch bonnet pepper for flavor. Be cautious with the heat. Stir to combine. Simmering symphony: bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low. Cover the pot and let it simmer until the rice is cooked and has absorbed the liquid, typically 20 to 25 minutes. Fluff and remove Scotch bonnet. Once the rice is cooked, fluff it with a fork. Remember to remove the Scotch bonnet pepper before serving, its job is done. Adjust seasoning, taste the rice and peas, adding salt and pepper as needed. Mellow Yellow Banana Bread. Ingredients: 3 ripe bananas, mashed, 2 large eggs, beaten, half a cup unsalted butter, melted, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 cup granulated sugar, 1½ cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon. Optional: half a cup chopped nuts, walnuts or pecans. Preheat the oven. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit 175 degrees Celsius. Grease a 9x 5-inch loaf pan. Mash bananas. In a mixing bowl, mash the ripe bananas with a fork or potato masher until smooth. Combine wet ingredients. Add the beaten eggs, melted butter, and vanilla extract to the mashed bananas. Mix until well combined. Add sugar. Incorporate the granulated sugar into the wet mixture, stirring until the sugar is dissolved. Sift dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, sift together the flour, baking soda, salt, and ground cinnamon. Sifting helps ensure a smoother batter. Combine wet and dry mixtures. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture, stirring until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. A few lumps are okay. Optional nuts. If you're adding nuts, fold them into the batter at this point. Pour into pan. Pour the batter into the prepared loaf pan, spreading it evenly. Bake to perfection. Bake in the preheated oven for 60 to 70 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean or with a few moist crumbs. Coconut Calypso Smoothie. Ingredients: 1 cup fresh coconut milk, half a cup coconut water, half a cup pineapple chunks, fresh or frozen, half a cup mango chunks, fresh or frozen, 1 ripe banana, juice of 1 lime, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 to 2 tablespoons honey or agave syrup, optional, for added sweetness. Ice cubes, optional. Prepare coconut milk. if using fresh coconut, extract the coconut water and blend the coconut flesh with water to make coconut milk. Alternatively, use store-bought coconut milk. Assemble ingredients. In a blender, combine the coconut milk, coconut water, pineapple chunks, mango chunks, ripe banana, lime juice, and chia seeds. Optional sweetener. If you prefer a sweeter smoothie, add honey or agave syrup to taste. Ice cubes. Optional if you like your smoothie extra chilled, toss in a handful of ice cubes. Blend to smooth perfection. Blend all the ingredients until smooth and creamy. If the consistency is too thick, add more coconut water or regular water to achieve your desired thickness. Taste and adjust. Taste the smoothie and adjust the sweetness or acidity by adding more honey or lime juice if needed. Pour and serve. Once blended to perfection, pour the coconut calypso smoothie into glasses. Garnish. Optional garnish with a slice of lime or a sprinkle of chia seeds for a visually appealing touch. Sip and enjoy. Sip on this tropical delight and let the coconut calypso smoothie transport you to a serene island oasis. Reggae Rum Punch. Ingredients: 1 cup pineapple juice, 1 cup orange juice, 1 cup guava juice, a 1/4 cup grenadine syrup, 1 cup light rum, 1/2 cup dark rum, a 1/4 cup coconut cream, juice of 2 limes, pineapple slices and maraschino cherries for garnish. Ice cubes. Chill ingredients. Ensure that all the juices and rums are well chilled before making the punch. Mix fruit juices. In a large pitcher, combine the pineapple juice, orange juice, and guava juice. Add grenadine. Pour in the grenadine syrup for a touch of sweetness and a vibrant color. Introduce the rums. Add both light and dark rum to the mix for a balanced kick. Incorporate coconut cream. Pour in the coconut cream to add a creamy texture and a hint of coconut flavor. Squeeze in lime juice. Freshly squeeze the juice of 2 limes into the mix for a zesty twist. Stir well. Gently stir all the ingredients together to ensure a thorough mix. Chill further. Optional for an extra chill factor. Refrigerate the punch for 1 to 2 hours before serving. Prepare glasses. Fill glasses with ice cubes to keep the punch cool. Serve and garnish. Plantain Paradise. Ingredients: 2 ripe plantains, peeled and sliced into diagonal pieces. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. 1 tablespoon butter. 1 tablespoon brown sugar, optional, for added sweetness. 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon. Pinch of salt. Select ripe plantains. Choose plantains that are yellow with black spots or fully black for the perfect sweetness. Peel and slice. Peel the plantains and slice them diagonally into pieces about 1/2 inch thick. Preheat pan. Heat vegetable oil and butter in a skillet over medium heat. Sear plantains. Place the plantain slices in the pan and cook for 2 to 3 minutes on each side or until they develop a golden brown color. Caramelize with sugar, optional if using brown sugar. Sprinkle it over the plantains and let it caramelize, giving the plantains a sweet, sticky coating. Flip the slices to coat both sides. Add cinnamon and salt. Sprinkle cinnamon and a pinch of salt over the plantains for a burst of flavor. Cook until golden. Continue cooking until the plantains are golden brown and caramelized on both sides. Drain excess oil. Place the cooked plantains on a plate lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil. Serve warm. Plantain Paradise is best enjoyed warm. Serve as a side dish, snack, or dessert. Garnish, optional garnish with a sprinkle of additional cinnamon or a drizzle of honey for an extra touch of sweetness. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.